Hi, this is Siddharth Venkatraman, and welcome to the LinkedIn Masterclass Module 1. Today, we'll be looking at a very fundamental, but very important concept, and that's nothing but funnels. Okay, so let's get into it. So, what is a funnel? So, this is a shape which would be very familiar to everyone. So, it's kind of a tool which is broader at the top and tapers down to the bottom. So, if you take any sales program or any sales team or a marketing team, you should always be very sensitive about this. So, I'm going to give you an example. So, say, suppose I am a healthcare professional and I'm in sales and I want to sell my product. I have a very specialist product which I have developed and I want to sell it to all the hospitals in the country. So what will I first do? So suppose I say that this month I need to sell 10 of these products. It's not enough if I reach to 10 of them, right? I need to reach more number of them if I need to convert that 10 sales. So what do? I first go and find out what are the list of hospitals which are available. And after that, I will do my own research of which of these hospitals really have the potential to buy. Some of them may be too small and they may not care. Some of them may already have it. So it's about that filtration at my level I will do. And then what I will do is I will then try to contact them through probably phone, email, social media, or whatever channel. And then some of them may respond to me. So if they respond to me, then I will share more information. And then some of them may call me for a meeting, or they may say that, okay, you call me on such and such a date and time. Then I'll share more information. And then if they get really impressed with my product, they may say that, can you do some customization and all these other questions. And then what will happen is, in that, some of them will say, okay, you give me a price. I think if it's suitable for me, I'll buy it. And then you have negotiation. And finally, few of them will buy. So this is very important that you are very aware of each stage. And for each industry, each product, this may differ. So, but you have to be very sensitive about typically for your industry, what is this conversion rate? Like if I reach to 100 people, how many of them eventually buy? So there will be an industry average. So this is something which you need to be aware of. So this is the sales funnel. The same holds good for marketing as well. We have something called the marketing funnel. And so this is what it is. The first two stages here in this funnel, which says initial contact and qualification, in marketing parlance, it is called awareness creation, where you are creating an awareness to your customer base or your prospect base about yourself or about your product or about your brand. So that's the awareness stage. Then it goes to the interest stage. So the interest stage, if you look at it, is where these people say, okay, so you try to reach them and they say, okay, fine, let me just read through what these guys are sending. Okay, that's the interest stage. The desire is when they say that, okay, this product looks to be good. So then they say, can I have a demo, or can I have a pilot version, or can I have a test run or something like that, or can I have more detailed customized offering for us? And all these things is the desire stage. The intent is when they actually start to negotiate with you on the price, which means they are serious about it. They may eventually buy from you. And finally, it also ends with the people buying from you. So this is a funnel. And on the left side where it's numbered, those are the sales counterparts for the funnel. And this one is the marketing counterpart for the funnel. So now we will look at how it is structured on LinkedIn, specifically for LinkedIn. So this is how the LinkedIn it works. So when I say awareness stage of the funnel on LinkedIn, I can roughly map it to the connections and the prospects whom I reach out to, and how I find the right people on LinkedIn through various options, which we will eventually discuss in the coming modules. Then the interest stage is about how do you engage and build rapport with your target audience. And as I said, it can be a very small niche and you may have a very select group of people. It is how are you trying to generate interest such that they take you seriously and they believe that you're an expert in that domain. And then it is about how do you continuously add value. And this is what I mentioned earlier, that give a lot of stuff, give free stuff, again, in terms of knowledge, in terms of value, so that they say that, hey, this person seems to know a lot and this person is sharing lots of interesting stuff, and this person is giving so much for free. So which means let's talk to this person and find out what more they have to offer for us. And then you have the intent, then you move, and that's when you start building relationships through discussions or through emails or through connections or through engaging with their content and supporting them or adding value to their thought process. and then finally you move it offline, or you move it to your digital portal or your own portals, and then take it towards conversion. So this is how a LinkedIn funnel is structured. Okay, at an example for a funnel. Okay, and this is a roughly constructed funnel of what I do. Okay, as a trainer and as a coach. So how do I create awareness about myself? So my awareness is created when I write blogs, when I write social media posts adding value, and then I participate in discussions in various forums and various social channels. That's where awareness about me as a expert in my domain is created. And then how do I generate interest? I generate interest by conducting free webinars, by creating YouTube videos on various topics relevant to me, and then publishing a lot of do-it-yourself steps for various things like how do you create your own social media program, or how do you really create a robust lead generation program, and all these kinds of do-it-yourself content. So this way, I generate more interest, saying, "Hey, this person is telling something which is very valuable to me." And then the desire happens when I actually participate in bigger discussions, debates, or panel discussions. And in the offline world, when pre-COVID era, I used to conduct offline workshops and training programs. So this is a place where there's more desire is created. Okay, and in online world, there are so many paid webinars which I conduct, paid training sessions which I conduct, which is also a place where this enhances the desire for them to probably get my mentorship. Then the next step is about the intent, is when I do one-on-one consulting, or I do roadmap creation for small startups where they get an idea, or I do brainstorming sessions with them. I have a 1 hour 2 hour discussion with them to help them understand their gaps and stuff, which is when they say that, okay, I think I need to engage this person more and more for me to improve my business. Okay, and then finally the bottom is some consulting projects, or some speaking sessions, or coaching and mentoring sessions. So this is the sales which happens. So this is my funnel. Okay, so now at the end of this module, now this is the activity I'm going to give each one of you. I want each one of you to create your own funnel in this style. Okay, and it may not be the perfect funnel. I'm just asking you to put your thoughts together, saying at what level are you? Are you able to map each level, and what do you at present do at each level to create that awareness or desire or making them buy? So I want you to create a funnel for yourself, so that it is also a place where you can understand where you currently stand, and also it helps you get a good understanding about what you're exactly doing to gain the attention or to convert at various stages of the funnel. Okay, so get this activity done, and I will see you soon on the other side. Take care.